Hey guys, I want to talk to you about fuel mileage and fuel economy for a second. It's one thing I don't see a lot of people talking about nowadays. Most of these videos, the tips for the beginners, really knowing your fuel economy while off-roading is a really important aspect of overlanding and car camping, and just getting out and have a better overall experience. It's always best to have a jerry can or additional fuel with you, just in case you can't make it between. It's also good to use like a program like Gaia. I'm actually able to find fuel stops and mark them on there, so when we're in an area we're running around, we can actually find fuel stops really quick, and we can plan our trip accordingly, because I know about how many miles I can go between fill-ups. And you start getting out to really remote areas, like say in Colorado or Moab or Utah, Arizona. You start getting out in some areas, the fuel stops are really far between, and you definitely want to make sure that you have enough fuel and a fuel range to make it between stops. So that's kind of the gist of this. I'll add a clip here real quick to kind of show you real world numbers, what this truck is getting. Let's talk about fuel mileage for a minute. As you can see here, this is live. This is what I've averaged since we've left Cincinnati for this entire trip. So this mountain range definitely pulls the fuel mileage. So when you start off-roading, keep your fuel range kind of in your mind and plan your trips, and make sure you got plenty enough fuel to get between A and B, because you get a lot of these areas out here and there's really nowhere to stop. So you can enjoy the scenery and looking around and seeing what area that you're in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you like it, like and subscribe to their channel. Also share this video if you know someone else that this tip could really help out and is just getting started. Unfortunately, I know people that have run out twice in gas in the same weekend. It happens to all of us. But it's for a more enjoyable trip, it's definitely best to plan ahead. So guys, if you like this, let me know. What's been your experience? If you ever run out of the gas on the trail, what happened? Let me know about it. So guys, hopefully we'll see you on the trail sometime, and happy wheeling.